Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, I hope that you're having a good day. And so today I'm back with a video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my January 2020 Allure unboxing. So with Allure, it is a subscription box. It is $15 a month, and you get some mixture of sample size products and full size products, and they vary each time. Last month probably was my last month was probably my favorite box yet from them. But we're going to go ahead and see what we have. I have not been disappointed as of yet getting these boxes. I have enjoyed everything so far that I have received, and I think I started getting Allure boxes, I want to say it might have been October, maybe November. But I will link my last month's down below just in case you didn't see that, to see what I got, because it was an awesome box. And I was extremely happy with that box. And just get into the box. I did take the cellophane off and go ahead and open it. Okay, and it does have this little pamphlet here that it just kind of tells you everything that comes in the box. So it looks like they have a choice between two mascaras you could have gotten, both from Tarte. And it looks like the one I got is this one here. This is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara. It is in this yellow packaging. Very cute. And it is in the color black. I do like the Lights Camera Lashes mascara. I think it's super cute that it's in this yellow packaging. This is not the norm packaging. I do love this mascara a lot. It is one of my favorites. And so I'm just going to read to you here. So the other choice was the Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay. I have yet to try that mascara, and I do want to try it. But I have not tried that one as of yet. And it says right here that it retails for $23. You can buy it at tartecosmetics.com. But I have seen this at Ulta as well. And it says that there is a promo code you can use on tartecosmetics.com. It's Tarte times Tarte and then NX Allure 2020 at checkout, and you can receive 15% off of a purchase. And let's see. And it gives a little breakdown of who selected it. I guess that some of their editors and stuff selected the products. But it's a little long, so I'm not going to go into all of that with you guys. But like I said, I have tried this. I do like this. And so that is the first product, and it is a full-size product. Okay, so the next product that I see in here is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. This is a 0.25 fluid ounce. I have tried this product. I'm about to finish up mine that I have. And it is a trial size, like a deluxe sample size. It's a lot bigger than this one is. However, I'm about to finish that up. I do love this product very much. It is very pricey, but I think that it's definitely worth it. If you don't want to spend the $75 for the 1.7 ounce, then I would recommend the sample size, because that one I think is $45, and it's still a lot of product. A little goes a long way, and it does last a long time. I've had that one that I'm about to finish up probably now for 3 years or so, and I still have some left, and it's one of those things that I use once or twice a week for a deep exfoliation onto the skin. So I definitely think it's worth it. I do have sensitive dry skin. The only thing with the product is that I cannot leave it on my skin for super long, because it will start to burn a little bit. But as long as I rub it in very gently and then rinse it right away, It's fine. It doesn't bother my skin at all. So I would recommend this as well. And like I said, it is kind of pricey. So it is saying that you can get a 1.7 ounce for $75 at Sephora.com. And I've got mine, I know Ulta sells them as well. It's in the 0.5. You can see how big that is compared to this one here. This one's a 0.25. So those are them side by side. And like I said, I've had this for about 3 years now and it's completely almost done. I will probably finish it before the month is up. But a little goes a long way and it is pricey. I paid $45 for this one and I absolutely love it. Okay, the next thing that I see is from Philosophy, Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream. This is a Hyaluronic Glow Moisturizer, a 0.23 fluid ounce. And honestly, I'm not big on Philosophy. I used to when I was in my 20s and stuff like that, but ever since I got in my 30s, I used to use the Philosophy Purity Cleanser. Like, it was my holy grail cleanser. I would use that. It was the best thing for my dry, sensitive skin. But when I got into my 30s, it was like a whole 180 happened, and my skin just did not agree with it anymore. It was like, it just rejected it. Maybe it's because I used it so many years. I don't know, but every time I've tried something from them, it just doesn't like, my skin does not like it. So I don't know if I will give this a try. It's this small one right here. I don't know if I'll give this a try. I may just give this away to somebody or save it for a future giveaway. But yeah, I don't know if I'm going to keep that one here. It's saying it retails for $39 for a full size. I know Ulta does sell Philosophy, so you may be able to find it there. But it is saying that on Philosophy.com, if you enter the Allure at checkout, you can receive free shipping plus a free deluxe mini of your choice with any $39 purchase. So that's not too bad. Okay, the next thing I see in here is the Akar Skin Pure Lip Restoration. It's in a 0.23 ounce. It says it's a lightweight, creamy treatment guaranteed to provide instant hydration for dry and chapped lips. Antioxidants work to protect against sun damage and lessen the appearance of lines. Smells of freshly brewed rose orange tea. Our lips restoration is made of pure plant-based ingredients and free of mineral oil. So anytime I get anything that has to do with hydration on the lips or anything like that, I do love to get those. Doesn't really have a scent. It looks like that. Has like a yellow tone. I will probably keep this because I love any kind of lip treatments. It says that you can purchase one of these at full price for $30 on the website akarskin.com. If you put in the code Allure01 at checkout, you receive 10% off of your order. So yeah, that's what that one looks like. And then the next thing I see is the Dual Drop Serums from VitaBrid C12. Age Define and Deep Hydration. It says it reduces signs of aging and brightens skin tone while providing deep hydration. It was an award winner in 2018, and it says it will make it firmer, brighter, and hydrated. I always need hydration, and now that I'm getting older, I do need things for firming and brightness, because anytime I get any kind of breakouts, they do scar, even if I don't pop them. And this is what it looks like there. It's a little tube. It looks really nice, actually. It's not super thin, but it's not super thick. I'm really excited. I'm definitely keeping this to try because I need that in my skincare routine for sure. It does retail for $62 for a full size, at vitabird.com. Enter Allure20 at checkout to purchase a full size dual drop serum for the special price of $9.99. Wow. It's a $62 product, but you can get a full size for only $9.90. I'm going to have to try this ASAP so that if I like it, I can get it, because for $9.90 versus $62, you can't beat that, and the coupon is only good from January 1st to March 31st. So I have a little bit of time, but I need to give this a try for sure, because you're literally going from $62 to $10. I mean, you can't beat that. So yeah, definitely going to be doing that very soon. The last item in this box is the Perfect Shine Oil Mist Color Heat Protectant. Right there, that's what it looks like. I've never heard of this. I've never, this from Nature Lab from Tokyo. I've never seen anything like this. It says a light reflecting oil hair mist for instantly smooth wow factor color and shine. I don't know if I'm going to keep this. I may or may not. I have a lot of hair products, but I might just save this for a future giveaway. But it does say here that it retails for $16 on Amazon.com/naturelab. It says enter Allure 20 at checkout to receive 15% off of your order. And the actual like full-size bottle is really cute. It looks like one of those lab vases or whatever you would call them. That's really, really cute. It says here that it helps with really dry hair. It helps with the, it has grape stem cells, hyaluronic acid. It says to lightly mist on dry hair for mirror-like shine. It doesn't make it greasy. I can't talk. Silicone in it. So I don't know how I feel about it. But like I said, if I don't keep it, I will definitely be giving it away. So overall, I will have to say this was an okay box. I mean, I paid $15 and this is $23. So I mean, you know, not too bad. I do like this mascara a lot. I do have a ton of mascaras already in my collection. So I don't know if this was exactly necessary for me. But I mean, this is also a good product as well, the Kate Exfoliate. But I'm about to run out, so that's kind of a good thing. The Philosophy, for sure, going to be giving that away. I may even give this hair product away as well. This I'm definitely keeping, and this as well. If you have issues with dry skin, also need firmer, brighter skin, give this a try, like I said, on their website, and use the code Allure20 on vitabird.com. You can get the full size for $9.90 versus $62. So overall, I would say for that reason, it was a great box. If you're going to be able to save for that item, I think that that's definitely worth it. So hopefully next month is a better box. I did kind of get spoiled because my first previous boxes and then December box was so awesome. And they may have just done it because of the holidays and they wanted to make it real special. But yeah, guys, so this was my January 2020, my first box of the year from Allure. And it was okay. Not my best, but I did like it. So I wanted to share that with you guys today. I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. If you love watching unboxings and these types of videos, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I hope that you stick around and enjoy my videos. But yeah, comment down below if you got this box this month and what you got in your box that was different from my box. I'd love to hear what you got. But yeah, guys, this is going to end this video for now.